Hi, I'm Marna and I love trolls and troll crafts. So when I found this great deal on eBay, I not only bought some for myself, I bought them to put in upcoming craft packets, which will be a while, but I plan way ahead. That way I get good deals on stuff. Anyway, I bought some little trolls and we're going to have a little unboxing here so you can see them. And I wanted to tell you that while I bought these the way that they came, I do have a video on how to make the long yarn hair, and another one that's coming out in the next couple of days about how I took yarn and made traditional troll hair for this stuff. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, you can't see that one. Oh, they have it across the front of all of them. All right, well, let me open one up. These are cute, cute, cute. Again, I got them on eBay for a great deal, and they come hairless. Yesterday, I had done a review on this troll, hairless, and that video will be out probably tomorrow. And then following that will be the video on how to make this hair. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. We'll leave a like and a comment, and most of all, please subscribe.